Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in to your Gemini AI account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser which is on your PC and then search for Gemini AI. Open the official site of Gemini AI and click on Sign In, which is in the top right hand corner. Now you can go ahead and click on or enter your email. Let me show it to you again. Go to Sign In and type in your email. Now press Next and enter your password. Make sure to mention the correct password. If you don't mention the correct password, you might not get login access. After you enter your password, press Next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled in your email, you will get an OTP code or notification in your phone. Tap on the notification which came in your phone and then press on Confirm if you want to make your phone number and recovery email the same. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in or signed in to your Gemini AI account. Now you can give prompts to it and conversate with it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.